Working at height is common in construction, demolition, refurbishment, decoration, cleaning, or even for changing lights, or even for placing sceneries on our walls in our houses. I'm going to start a training series on suspended platforms. Maybe this is a deck, man lift basket, mobile elevating working platform, scaffolding platform, rolling platform, or any other suspended working platform. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Dear friends and fellows, the number one or most important element in the use of elevating platform that we should know about the safety precautions, how to use it, and how to work on an elevating platform safely. We are going to discuss now some safety tips, and you have to memorize these tips once you are using elevating platforms in your workplace. Number one, follow the manufacturer's operating instructions. Number two, follow manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance and operation of the engine and hydraulic systems. Number three, ensure that operator controls are at platform level and remain accessible to the operator. Place emergency override controls at ground level. Number four, lock wheels and use outriggers with adequate sole plates. Number five, only operate the lift if you have received appropriate training, you have experience, you are competent, you are authorized. Otherwise, you should stay away from the operation of elevating platforms. Second important question is, what are the hazards on your job site once you are going to use elevating platform? You have to look for ditches, drop offs or holes, bumps and obstructions, debris, untemmed earth fills, overhead obstructions and electrical wires, moving vehicles or oncoming traffic, hazardous atmosphere, and the adverse weather conditions, especially high winds. These are the possible hazards. Once you are going to install elevating platform, you should look around thoroughly, and if there is such a condition as we discussed now, it means this work area is not safe for using elevating platform. Dear friends and fellows, you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. If you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. This is part 1, safe use of elevating platforms. Let us jump on the next segment. What should be inspected before using the elevating platform? Dear friends and fellows, keep a log of all inspections and repairs. Report all safety, maintenance, and operational concerns and repair before using it. And remember, you have to inspect the platform at the beginning of each shift. Why you will inspect? Inspection shall be carried out for the correct loading capacity for the job, overall frame condition, uncontrolled motion, loose connections or missing fasteners, improper adjustments, cracked wheels, broken or fraying wire ropes, damaged electrical wires or hydraulic or pneumatic lines, inefficient brakes, poor tire condition and pressure, missing load capacity postings, adequate fuel supply, damage to ladder or steps, broken safety devices such as horns, emergency controls, gates, wall protection, anchorage points, etc. These all points should be checked one by one during inspection of the elevating platform before using it. If you will address all these concerns, these are safety precautions. And if you will comply with the manufacturer guidelines, instructions, and safe working procedure, it means you are entrusted to work safely and there is a minimum chance of any accident at your workplace with respect to elevating platforms. We have discussed the general precautions. We have highlighted the inspection requirements as well as the possible hazards on the work site. Do you know what is the most important point? Let us jump on the next topic. You will find that is more interesting and more important. After the inspection, now the work will be carried out and you will raise or move the platform. What should you do before raising or moving the elevating platform? These are the most vital and important points you will consider before you was just making inspection. You was just visiting the site. You was just trying to identify the hazards at the work site. Now you're going to start your activity. And once you will use the elevating platform, there is a chance of falling, accident, or injury. So let us understand now what should you do as a user or as an operator of elevating platform. Number one, you should check for overhead obstructions and electrical lines. Regulations set minimum distances that platforms must be away from the overhead electrical power lines. Number two, place on a film and level surface only. Number three, position outriggers or stabilizers. Number four, install platform guardrails properly and check that gates or openings are closed. Number five, retract the extendable platforms before raising or lowering the device. Number six, make sure all controls are clearly labeled with action and direction. Number seven, ensure that barriers on scissor type lifting mechanisms are in place to prevent entry. Number eight, ensure that ropes, electrical cords, and hoses will not entangle in the working platform. Number nine, load platform evenly according to the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines. Number 10, don't trap the operator between the platform and the structure. The operator becomes trapped in a confined space and may not be able to reach the controls. Number 11, don't overload platform in any case. Number 12, don't allow workers on or near the platform during raising or lowering it. And number 13, ensure that the proper fall protection equipment is available and used by all trained workers and designated tie-off point is determined. Dear friends and fellows, if the workers are not trained, if they are not experienced, if they are not being supervised, if they are not safety oriented, there is the chances of accident even though if the elevating platform is 100% safe and fit for the desired job because the equipment is being used by the people, by the workers, operators, their motivation, their participation, and their training is most important. Work safely once you're working at height for yourself as well as for your family and kids. And that's all for today. Training session part 1. Safe use of elevating platforms is over. In the upcoming video, we'll discuss what to inspect before using a scaffolding platform. What should you do during use, and what should you not do during using the scaffolding platform? But all this valuable information will be in the part 2 in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with the part 2 of safe use of scaffolding platform. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.